Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A40, and today I will show you how to insert SIM card and SD card. And starting off, I'm gonna just lock the screen. What you will need is, well, the SIM card and memory card, and a little pin eject tool that normally comes with your phone, so will be somewhere in like a booklet or whatever. But you can also use some kind of paper clip if you have one laying around, and it should work fine. So once you have that ready, you can just put it in here where you have the tray, which is right on the left side, and you have a tiny little hole under the tray where you get to put in the pin eject tool and just push it in there till the tray pops out, as so. So you can just take it out, and from here, as you can see, you have space for 2 Nano mem or Nano SIMs, or I think there was a Nano, not really sure. So you put them like so, with the little cutout on the bottom right corner, and then you have the memory card, which you put like so. So let me put back the SIM card. So as you can see, they're all laying flush. They should not stick out, they should be basically flush with the tray itself. And once you have that ready, you can just slide it back in. So let me get a better grip over it and slide it in like so. So you want to just push it all the way in, make sure that the SIM card didn't kind of come out jamming in the process. And once you have that, just push it all the way in. As you can see, it requires me to put in the pin for the SIM card, so I'm gonna do that, and the second one as well. And now both of them are recognized, as you can see, because it required me to put in the pin number for them, and also the SD card is recognized. So that is basically how you insert the SIM card and memory card. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.